Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to our word work for lesson 8. I believe this is lesson 8. Our word is hemisphere. So the cerebrum is divided into two halves or hemispheres. Say it with me. Hemispheres. So hemispheres means there are two halves. Hemispheres are halves of a sphere or sphere-like object, such as halves of Earth or halves of the cerebrum. The United States is located in the northern hemisphere, which is the northern half of Earth when separated horizontally at the equator. Earth can also be separated vertically into the Western Hemisphere and Eastern Hemisphere. So we can divide it north and south or east and west. Is hemisphere a noun, verb, or adjective? It's a noun. It's a thing. So we're going to play a game. You are going to need a piece of paper. So it's called Name That Hemisphere. You're going to need a piece of paper, or you can use your composition book. I'm going to show you on the screen a hemisphere of a spherical object. You need to identify what it is a hemisphere of. You must use the word hemisphere in your answer. So here we go. Tell me what this is a hemisphere of. This is number 1. So you could say, this is a hemisphere of a, and then tell me what it is. Number 2, this is a hemisphere of, and make sure you're writing that out. This is a hemisphere of, so that you're practicing writing that word hemisphere. Number 3. This is a hemisphere of, my cursor, there we go. Number 4, this is a hemisphere of. Number 5, this is a hemisphere of. And finally, number 6, this is a hemisphere of. So you should have 6 things written down, 6 sentences. This is a hemisphere of, and then tell me what the object is. You're going to submit your work in your Schoology assignment to see if you spelled hemisphere correctly and see if you got them all correct.